everyone! 안녕하세요. Welcome back, friendly Kazma here. So if you ask Koreans what we eat on a rainy day, I reckon maybe 9 out of 10 will say 전, which is a Korean pancake. So we already tried to make a kimchi jeon, 파전, which is the green onion pancake, or vegetable pancake, 야채전. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Buchu Jeon. Buchu is this chive, so we will make a Buchu Jeon, but we're gonna use some different ingredients than the other time. So if you're interested in, please stay tuned. So the ingredients, you can prepare chives, onion, carrot, hot red chilies, and dried shrimps. So the dried shrimp will give you the very deep flavor, so that will be super yummy. So for making a batter, we can have the Korean pancake mix. If you don't have the Korean pancake mix, then just use the normal flour and you can add a little bit of salt, breadcrumbs, water, and for the dipping sauce, we can have some soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, and also cooking oil, please. So when making batter, we're gonna use the sparkling water that will help to just make your pancake more crispy. Put it in a bowl, then we'll add pancake mix. And you can mix them. So if you don't have a sparkling water, then at least you can prepare the ice. Put some few ice cubes, then that will be nice. So batter is ready. After that, we will cut the chives. So you can just cut into 4 to 5 centimeters in tubs. Do not cut them too long, that's gonna be hard to cut when chewing. In a bowl. Then let's do carrots. We're gonna peel out first. So we're just gonna use a half of this because this is not a carrot pancake, we are making a chive pancake. So slice first and clean the carrot. And also the onions, we'll just use in half. So then let's just cut chilies. By shaking off, remove the seeds. Put them in a separate dish. You can start to mix them with the batter. So just do it gently. At this point, you can add the dried shrimp and mix them again. So after mixing them, just get a handful amount, maybe about this much. Then put it here with the crumbs, and you can turn them over. So just like this, we'll put them on a frying pan and then we'll cook it. Just put a little bit of oil, then just preheat the pan, so just to see whether it's ready to cook. So you can tell the difference between this one and the other pancakes. So the batter was very thick. It was thicker than the other pancakes because we're gonna use this crumb. So you can put them on a pan and spread them. And here you can add few chili pieces as a garnish, and also it gives it a hot spice flavors, so that is yummy and nice. We need to have enough oil when we do this. After some time, you can just swirl it so the oil goes into the center and even the center gets crispy. Then we'll just flip it over. we're gonna put a little more oil just at the bottom. While we are waiting until it gets cooked, then we're gonna make a dipping sauce. So you can add some soy sauce, sugar, vinegar, and water. So the ratio of all ingredients is 1, 1, and 1. So stir well just to dissolve the sugar. You can add the chili pieces. So the dipping sauce is ready. Key point is just flip it over once or maximum twice when you cook this. So just slice the carrot very thinly as much as you can so it won't take long time just to cook. So now our pancake is ready. Looks nice though, right? Let me just have a bite. Should be so good. This is something very nice. You still can feel the deep flavor of the shrimps, and also we just put a little pancake mix, so this is less heavy. And moreover, we add some bread crumbs. So this is pancake, but a little different than others. Just try this. All the pancake got a different flavors and taste. This is definitely 2 thumbs up, and I strongly recommend you to just make it. So I really hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today and hope to see you on my next video. So if you liked it, please just press the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will come back with more nice recipes. Okay? Hope to see you next time. Thank you and 또 만나요.